We watched movie on 29, 30 and 31st.
देखो भाई ये होता है तुम लोग सोचते हो कि IMOTC के अंदर सीरियस काम होता है।
Oh, I just randomly went on, I think 6 or 7 for this photo.
ये किसकी फोटो है? इज इट अली?
तो नहीं यही कहा था कि पढ़ाई वगैरह होती थी, वो नहीं हुई।
All right, so hi everyone, good evening and एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग सेशन होने वाला है because we have the who's and who's of the people who've cleared INMO and attended IMOTC. So in this session we are going to cover a lot of points which happen inside IMOTC. You know, एक जनरल परसेप्शन है कि IMOTC के अंदर बहुत सीरियस काम होता है, पढ़ाई होती है, टेस्ट होते हैं, competition होता है बहुत सारा, which is true of course, but apart from that there is a lighter side to it as well, and of course you can see on the screen. So in screen में हम will be sharing some photos which have been shared by these students. Aratrik is there, Anik is there, Anish is there, and Mandar is also here. Okay, so एक बार मैं अपना tile. Okay, so we have these students who were a part of IMOTC and they had cleared INMO this year, and we will also hear their experiences of IMOTC. We have Rajit sir also who mentored these students before they went to IMOTC in level 10. So this is a group photo. Of course I can see amazing professors and Vedant and everyone, right? So this is such a fine image. So before आज उल्टा करते हैं, before we hear the experiences, let me show some of the pictures which have been shared by Mandar and Anish and Aratrik and Anik to all these students, just to have a good feel. Okay, so this is the team which has been selected to represent India, and that is amazing team. So we wish them all the best, right? So these are the 6 students who represented India and who are going to represent India. Okay, so okay, I can see Anish and Mandar in this pic, and there's something I can see the word revenge. So Anish, क्या भाई किससे, and Mandar, do you want to tell कि किससे revenge हो रहा है? Is it junior versus senior kind of thing? No.
Yeah, kind of.
Oh.
Yeah, in IMOTC there is this thing called Lamao, so like the seniors make a paper for juniors.
Yes.
So like Lamao revenge is juniors making paper for seniors.
Oh, so who was the senior who was helping you? The same.
No, we juniors had to make a paper. There was
so last year I remember Gunjan was saying that Gunjan being a senior, she was helping juniors to make this paper. Okay, so this year it was all juniors who made the paper for seniors.
Yeah, this year we were able to manage 6 problems.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, Mandar was the one to propose 2 problems.
Who?
It was nice.
Who proposed 2 problems?
So Mandar.
Oh, Mandar proposed 2 problems. Oh.
Wait, sorry, technical error. I proposed 3 problems.
Oh, he proposed 3. तुम क्यों? So again, guys, just for the people who are watching this, so again, the seniors means the students who had been a part of IMOTC last year. So they are senior, and the students who get into IMOTC for the first year, for first time, they are juniors. So it is like a revenge. So juniors make a kind of paper for the seniors. And how does it go? Matlab, they all have to attempt, seniors also attempt this paper? And you
Ideally, there were some seniors, certainly not like Aratrik, who did write the paper.
Aratrik this year was senior, by the way. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, only like 10 seniors came for the exam.
13.
Oh, Aratrik, were you there?
No.
Kyun?
No, sir. Sir, many of us didn't want to give anything after the TSTs. So we were
okay.
Because like the problem was the camp was really short this time. Like, it was just after the TSTs. Like the next day we had Lamau revenge and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. Many people didn't want to.
Okay, so this is someone solving some problem on the board. Who sent this?
I did.
Okay, Anish, kya hai bhai? Where are you in the picture?
No, I think I was the one taking the picture.
Oh, okay. And what is this happening?
No, that ask Mandar.
Mandar, do you want to share? Bhai, Anish, photo to dikha de bhai apni.
It was This is the person writing it was Bhairav, and we were making Lamau Revenge P3. He was writing
Oh,
this conjecture, but that turned out to be false.
oh, okay. So again, so this is the kind of thought that goes behind making a question, guys. Right? So it is not that easy. ओके सो वो सब नहीं होता क्या कि किसी IMOSL का कोई क्वेश्चन उठा लो या किसी भी
नहीं, क्योंकि मतलब most seniors have solved them. We can't.
yes of course. So again you tend to make your own question
तुम पूरा स्क्रैच से क्वेश्चन बनाते हो अपना पूरा
again.
Yeah.
So I'm very sure कि उसके अंदर भी ना you would get to learn a lot of things when you make paper, because खुद भी बहुत ज़्यादा understanding और बढ़ती है and you tend to do a lot of other things. So that is amazing. Okay, who took this? Anish?
Yeah, I did.
क्या है भाई ये?
What do you expect from Anish?
This is CMI
ये
lizard.
चीज तो आएगी
This is
बोलेगा
what?
तो सही ये चीज भी आएगी
This is CMI lizard.
Oh, the name you've given the
I
name.
at least send like
Yeah,
at
we
least
kept
send
the
a
name.
dog or turbo the snail. What is lizard?
But again, this is a big one, huh? Amazing. Okay, so this is after TST, before TST. Happy faces.
This is valedictory.
Oh, after TST.
Yeah.
So not a lot of smiles, but okay. But okay, I can see Harini, I can see Mandar, I can see Anish. Okay.
Prachi is also there
Yes.
along with Harini.
Yes. Okay. So okay. Again, validity. ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? I was intrigued too.
We were watching a movie on we watched movie on 29th, 30 and 31st
All
Yeah.
3 days.
in the lecture halls.
Oh, देखो भाई ये होता है तुम लोग सोचते हो कि IMOTC के अंदर सीरियस काम होता है. So this is what they're doing. But again, this is after the team had been selected after the TSCs. But again, I think this is the kind of relaxation that they deserve. Which movie did you see, Anish?
We initially put Three Idiots, but everyone was bored. Then we put Chichore.
Then you put what?
Chichore.
Oh, Chichore. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So this is the lecture hall, is it?
Yeah, this is a lecture hall.
Okay.
This is how CMI looks.
Okay.
रजित सर
ये बहुत प्यारी
आपको
फोटो है ये क्या है एग्जैक्टली
Oh, I just randomly went on, I think 6th or 7th floor and took this photo.
सो दैट बिल्डिंग जो आगे वो दिख रही है वो CMI के अंदर ही है
Nine.
Nine. That is Infosys building.
ओह
Okay.
ठीक
But ये
Rajit
जो
sir,
नीचे वाला the yellow lit campus, that is CMI.
Yeah, that is same. That is same.
Yeah, that is three.
Yes. Who was sorry sir आपको I think Aratrik.
हाँ सर आपको एक और इमेज भेजा है मैंने वो
हाँ
आप
लाइक
दिखा
मैंने भी शेयर किया दैट इज वर्थ शोइंग द डेडिकेशन ऑफ द किड्स स्टडीइंग देयर
हाँ वही
So this is Anik taking selfie. Is this? Oh, so so Mandar got offended when Anik sent this photo. So Anik, what is this?
It is the
And what is Mandar doing?
it is
Sir, we were
the
just
photo of the
standing
comp
there.
lab, and
It is what?
took a selfie the day of valedictory. I think.
Again.
Sir, this
It
was
is
like a
incentive
selfie on the day of
of the comp
valedictory.
lab.
That day we slept like 1 hour, so I was just sleep deprived. Nothing else.
Oh.
Yes.
तो मंदिर से कभी मुझे सोने दो फोटो ना दो
Okay. So this is not this year's photo, but this is last year's photo. But I like this pic. मतलब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये. मतलब all the best minds of India working on something together. I can see, back से मुझे काफी चीजें. For example, Aratrik is there on the far left, and other people watching. So this is something which I like a lot. मुझे मतलब बहुत inspire करती है, and I'm sure it is going to inspire a lot of other students also. This picture. Oh, this is the एक रजित सर ने पिक्चर भेजी है मुझे. ये किसकी फोटो है? Is it अनिक? Aratrik अनिक है क्या?
नहीं सर ये एक्चुअली नॉट फ्रॉम एनीवन फ्रॉम हियर आई कांट रिवील हु इट इज
Oh. Okay. So
but you can
I
show the
think
picture because the face is not visible so you
I
can-
think
okay just something is it someone from the team is it team
no
no
it's one of our friends no
okay
Okay. So I think while Rajit sir, एक बार हम you can carry on. I'll just put the picture on the PPT. This is worth showing.
yes definitely तो यार कुछ बताओ ना कि मतलब ठीक है पढ़ाई तो की है, एंजॉय तो करके आए हो, मस्ती की कैसे, कि मतलब ऐसा ना कि फर्स्ट वैसे एक्सपीरियंस था, आरती का सेकंड टाइम था तो वो तो बहुत प्रिपेयर होके गया था, वी नो दैट, बट तुम्हारा क्या था फर्स्ट टाइम, कुछ बताओ ना कि लाइक समथिंग जो तुम्हारा ऐसे हो गया कि भाई ये तो क्या ही चीज है यहाँ पे, ये क्या ही हो रहा है।
मतलब हमने लाइक आई थिंक 90% ऑफ द टाइम हम माफिया खेलते थे।
माफिया, ओके, ये सर एक कॉलेज गेम है, ये मैंने भी बहुत खेला है सही में। तो लोग ऐसे मिलके
और लाइक
बैठते हैं एंड
लंच के बाद हमारा डेली फिक्स था कि like, 1-2 घंटा हम टीटी खेलते थे।
पढ़ते थे,
टीटी खेलते थे।
पढ़ते थे, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है।
अच्छा, पढ़ने का तो याद नहीं है उसे।
नहीं
हाँ,
अच्छा लाइक क्लासेस थोड़ा आइडिया बताओ ना उसका भी।
टीएसटीज
हाँ।
टीएसटीज के पहले लाइक डेली आई थिंक रात को डिनर के बाद लाइब्रेरी जाके पढ़ते थे।
तो जितना मुझे आइडिया है तुम्हें तो जैसे कुछ खास पढ़ना भी नहीं पड़ा होगा वहां पे, जो मुझे बताया गया कि सब लोग तो मस्ती मार रहे थे ज्यादा।
हाँ, वो टीएसटीज के बाद था मेनली, पर
पहले
टीएसटी से पहले
पहले
थोड़ा
भी
तो
वही
पढ़ा
था भाई, पहले भी वही था, शुगर।
थोड़ा तो पढ़ा था, मतलब बोल रहा हूँ मैं। टीएसटीज के बाद बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ा था।
हाँ,
ओके, तो अच्छा ठीक है, बट हाँ कोई ऐसा मिथ ब्रेक सिचुएशन लाइक जो तुम फर्स्ट टाइम गए थे, आरती तो अगर मैं बोलूंगा तो वो तो सही है, पर कोई मिथ ब्रेक जो तुम्हारा हुआ हो वहां पे कि नहीं ये तो करना पड़ेगा।
Okay, so this is the pick, right? So this is the typical, as Ratik mentioned, this shows the dedication of the children at this particular level, right? So that is amazing to see. So can you explain what is happening here?
Sir, it was actually more of a joke we did. Okay, so
Oh,
like there's a story in Bengali literature, like Iswar Chandra Vidyasagar used to sit beneath a lamppost and study. So we just kind of recreated that.
but okay. Oh, अच्छा, अब मुझे ध्यान में आया. I thought it was sun.
No, it's a lamppost in the evening. We
Okay.
made him do a China TST while sitting there.
Amazing. All right. सो अगेन गाइस, मैं थोड़ा सा बता देता हूँ कि क्या होता है आईएमओटीसी के अंदर, मतलब इस बार क्या हुआ था. फॉर एग्जांपल, आईएमओटीसी इज अ कैंप वेर इन द बेस्ट माइंड्स ऑफ इंडिया दे कम टुगेदर, एंड अगेन मस्ती होती है, पढ़ाई होती है, एंड अल्टीमेट एम इज दे सेलेक्ट 6 स्टूडेंट्स हु रिप्रेजेंट इंडिया. सो दिस ईयर आईएमओ 2025 इज गोइंग टू बी हैपनिंग इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. सो वो 6 बच्चे ऑलरेडी सिलेक्ट हो गए हैं. सो दिस इज द टीम विच हैज गॉटन सिलेक्टेड, एंड amazing team. We wish them all the best. Again, as I mentioned in before also, there are 2 kinds of camps, the junior camp and the senior camp. In दोनों की classes अलग अलग होती हैं. Junior camp for the students who get into this IMOTC for the first time. They are junior, and दो एक बार पहले जा चुके होते हैं, उनको senior. For example, Aratrik was the senior because it was the second time, and Mandar, Anish and Anik were in the junior camp. अगले साल मंदर, अनीश और अनिक will be in the senior along with Rathrik, right? So अगले साल they will have to face that revenge, LMAO.
तब मंदिर दोबारा क्या करेगा, तब मंदिर दोबारा जूनियर से लेकर अच्छा पेपर बना देगा.
हाँ, तो आई एम वेरी श्योर मंदर वो जूनियर के साथ जाएगा और उनको बोलेगा कि भाई मैं तुम्हें हेल्प करता हूँ. So again, what happens is 2 to 3 days classes a day by the best minds. So I could see Vedant also. I could see Vedant had represented India, so I could see Arjun also in the pictures. So they had come over, and there were a lot of other students who have been a part of Indian team who were there in the camp. So again, along with the teachers, right, Rizul Saini sir was there, and others. So they would take classes, and ultimately 2 practice tests हुए थे इस बार 12th and 14th को, and then there were 4 team selection tests, 20, 21, 25, 26. So team selection tests are typically on the same pattern as IMO exams. That is 3 questions per exam for 4.5 hours, P1, P2, P3, in the increasing order of difficulty. And again, on the basis of the collective score, that is 3 multiplied by 4 is 12 questions multiplied by 10. So 120 में से 6 best students get into the team, right? So this is how it normally works. ठीक है. So as they mentioned, तो पहले का टाइम, जाने वाला टाइम तो particularly for the students who go for the first time थोड़ा सा सीरियस वाला होता है, but as you can see, the later pictures, these kind of pictures. So it turned into a lot of fun. We can surely see. So as Rajit sir was asking, see overall कैसा रहा experience? We'll start with Anish. Anish, जो सोचा था वैसे ही गया या मतलब what क्या है? मतलब I won't ask anything, बस तुम्हारा अपने मन से बताओ.
मतलब मैं कुछ सोच के गया नहीं था वैसे,
हाँ.
पर लाइक एक चीज है कि लाइक TSTs 8:30 को स्टार्ट होते हैं तो जल्दी उठना पड़ता है. वैसे वो लोगों की जल्दी के डेफिनेशन पे लाइक डिपेंड करता है, पर ठीक है.
हाँ. आई एम वेरी श्योर कि जो इस ग्रुप में है बच्चे, वो जल्दी को तो मतलब 12-1 बजे जल्दी, मंदिर के लिए भी ऐसे ही है, 12-1 बजे
मतलब वो
जल्दी
तो
है.
भी लास्ट मोमेंट पे लेकर आए हैं कि भाई उठ गया चला जा.
इनफैक्ट अभी मैं
नहीं, मंदिर काफी जल्दी उठा था. जब मैं उठता था तब वो ना धो के ब्रेकफास्ट करके बैठा रहता था.
तो
अच्छा,
क्या
मतलब
बात है.
तुम मंदिर से भी मतलब 2 कदम आगे हो. ओके. सो ओवरऑल कैसा रहा ओवरऑल अनीश एक्सपीरियंस? फर्स्ट टाइम
हाँ,
ओडीसी तुम्हारा?
क्लासेस बहुत अच्छे थे, स्पेशली लाइक जब अर्जुन आया तब बहुत मजा आया.
ओके. अर्जुन लेट आया था?
अर्जुन लाइक अराउंड 15 को आया था आई थिंक.
ओके. 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 हाउ अबाउट यू मंदर?
हाँ सर, अच्छा था मतलब ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस. मैंने भी मतलब कुछ ज्यादा मतलब मैं यही सब सोच के गया था कि ऐसी चीजें होंगी. मैंने एक दो सीनियर से बात की थी तो उन्होंने यही कहा था कि पढ़ाई वगैरह होती नहीं, वो नहीं हुई. हाँ, ओवरऑल तो अच्छा था.
ओके.
बाकी बस नहीं मतलब क्लासेस थोड़ी जल्दी थी तो उठना पड़ता था. बाकी
बट क्लासेस सारी लगाई तुमने?
हाँ
ओके.
वही,
ओके.
वो सीनियर्स ने नहीं लगाई थी, जूनियर्स मोस्टली सारे.
अच्छा, जूनियर्स वर डेडिकेटेड.
ये ना फर्स्ट टाइमर्स है ना,
हाँ, वो
तो
फर्स्ट
फर्स्ट टाइमर सबको होता है कि हाँ करना है.
हम भी जब फर्स्ट ईयर आईआईटी में गए थे ना, पहले साल सारी क्लासेस लगाते थे. सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ ईयर में फिर हमें भीख मांगनी पड़ती थी कि 75% कंप्लीट कर दो. ओके, सो दिस हैपेंस. अमेजिंग, अमेजिंग. ओके, सो मूविंग ऑन टू अनिक. अनिक कहाँ भाई?
हाँ सर. सर
शक्ल दिखा दे भाई
वहाँ
अनिक.
पर जाके ओ सर
हाँ.
वो बहुत अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस था. सो इट वाज माय फर्स्ट टाइम, सो I didn't expect much, but the classes were nice, and the people who made there were all mostly like-minded people who are always helpful, right? Like Vaya and Vedant, sir.
अमेजिंग.
Yeah.
थोड़ा जोर से
And
बोल अनिक, तुम्हारा थोड़ा सा आवाज कम है.
हाँ sir. और I had uh, attended most of the classes, but however I like to attend some of the senior classes because they explore some deep topics and something. So I attended classes from both the camps.
अच्छा.
अनिक वाज लाइक कि सर ये तो आता है जूनियर वाला, हमको छोड़ दो, सीनियर में जुड़ा बैठते हैं.
ओके. अनिक, आई थिंक तुम्हारी तरफ थोड़ा सा एको कर रहा है. Okay. All right. So moving on to the senior now, Ratrik. So Ratrik, it was your second time. So overall,
Yeah.
कैसा experience रहा दूसरी बार?
So overall, it was a fun experience. Apart from the TSTs, of course, that's a common opinion among everyone here. And so we had like classes as well. So classes like seniors used to attend sometimes. Like every day you go to the senior classes, you would probably see someone who has never attended the classes before. So like ऐसा होता था classes में. और फिर the classes used to be, we used to have mixed classes. Like we used to have Olympiad classes as well as non-Olympiad type classes also. So like we had lots of graph theory classes, and like coincidentally, like some of the things, like we had four color theorem and stuff, and like Rajit sir did those just a few weeks back. And we had like too many graph theory classes in the camp. Most of them were graph theory. And then we had like non-Olympiad stuff as well. Many of the classes had those.
Amazing.
And like apart from the classes were just like a very small part of the camp. So many of the seniors did not attend even a single class. Some of them did not.
Oh,
And so like there was lots of fun also. Like
okay. So basically, you're saying the graph theory content that was being done in IMOTC, Rajit are already covered in level 10.
like there was some like some of the major parts like four color theorem and those those are already covered.
Amazing, amazing. So kudos, Rajit sir, for raising the
Thank you.
confidence level of the children. Okay, amazing. Super, guys. So Rajit sir, anything that you want to add, ask?
मेरा
Tell.
एक क्वेश्चन है, अगर तुमने क्लासेस नहीं की, तुमने किया क्या था? How did you spend that time?
किससे
नहीं
क्वेश्चन
सर
है?
मतलब
Sir, the library in CMI is very nice. Yeah, it contains a good collection of books. So I used to spend a lot of time there.
Oh, nice. So typical Anik. Okay, Anik. Okay, how about you, Ratrik? Apart from classes, क्या किया?
like okay, so one of the major things I did this time apart from classes and studies was that we have a common area, common room where we like have TT table and stuff, table tennis. So one of my friends in the camp, like he was a state level, he played in state level. So like, and I know nothing about table tennis. So like he taught me how to play at the basics and stuff. So like I used to spend my time doing that a lot.
Amazing. So again, something, मतलब zero से कुछ ही चीज में ऊपर बढ़ा तू. Table tennis में, for example, you said you were zero and you learned something. So अभी what is the level of table tennis that you do?
I mean, at least decent. Like before, I didn't even know how to hold the racket, and now at least I can
Nice.
face off against them. So that's something. Yes.
Okay. How about you, Mandar? So who was saying 2 घंटे टेबल टेनिस खेलते थे लंच के बाद?
तो हम सभी खेलते थे, मैं अनीश और दो
अच्छा, ओ
वही तो मतलब मोस्टली क्लासेस होने के बाद मतलब मेनली तो क्लासेस जाने का मोटिवेशन जूस मिलता था बीच में तो right.
Also, sir, one of the points that I wanted to say, like, so like there was like multiple times where we did not go to classes, and in the morning, say we went to play table tennis, and like Arjun came and played with us many times. So he brought his racket and he used to play with us a lot.
तो ऐसा तो नहीं था कि अर्जुन मतलब इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग द क्लास कि मैं क्लास नहीं ले रहा, मैं टेबल टेनिस.
No. At the times when he did not have a class,
Oh,
so he used to come and play a lot.
अच्छा.
मुझे याद है मैं क्या मतलब फर्स्ट टीएसटी what happened was कि I was up early and the breakfast starts at 7:30. I was there at 7. Arjun comes and he was like कि अब आधे घंटे के लिए क्या करेगा तू? So I was like कि someone will wake up, I'll play TT with them for like 15 minutes or something. So he was like मेरे साथ ही खेल ले. Then we played TT for like 45 minutes or something. Yeah.
Also,
Arjun is
even
very
on
chill.
सो अनीश, अगर ब्रेकफास्ट 7:30 बजे होता था तू कितने बार तूने ब्रेकफास्ट किया?
नहीं, लाइक ब्रेकफास्ट 9 बजे तक होता था आई थिंक.
तो कितना स्किप हुआ?
लाइक मैंने 4-5 दिन किया होगा.
किया, स्किप किया या किया?
नहीं किया.
Okay.
मोस्टली नहीं कर पाता था.
ओके. हाउ अबाउट यू, मंदर?
नहीं सर, खाना इम्पोर्टेंट है सर. मैंने
खाने के साथ कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं. अमेजिंग. चलो,
कॉफी मिलती थी, वो मेन पॉइंट था. कॉफी मिलती थी.
अच्छा, कॉफी, फिल्टर कॉफी थी क्या?
हाँ.
नाइस.
मंदिर की क्लास जाने का यही है कि खाना मिल रहा है.
और सर हम लोग नाइट कैंटीन का एक सिस्टम था, मतलब 50 रुपीज तक कुछ भी फ्री मिल जाता था वहाँ पे. चिप्स वगैरह, फिर लस्सी, कोल्ड कॉफी वगैरह सब कुछ मिलता था.
मतलब 50 रुपीज एंड यू कैन गेट एनीथिंग बुफे.
मतलब
50 रुपीज का कोटा नहीं, 50 रुपीज फ्री होता था, अलाउंस होता था. एग्जैक्टली.
अच्छा. ओके, 50 रुपीज तो कुछ भी ले लो.
नहीं, तुम्हें तो ये सोच रहा था कि तो चिप्स उठाई जाओ हर बारी, हर 10 मिनट बाद.
चलो, बढ़िया.
वहाँ तो माजा का बहुत ये था. माजा वाज द मेन.
ये तो मुझे लग रहा है कि यार मंदिर तो खाना
खाना ठीक था सर. ऐसे बुरा नहीं
वो
था.
मैंने सुना है कि खाना काफी अच्छा था. Okay, how is weather? Weather में हमेशा complaints होती है बहुत सारे बच्चों की. So how did you cope up with weather? Because I remember Anish, I was talking to your father. तो again वही particularly मुंबई में इस टाइम पे भी वैसे ही होता है, but again चेन्नई में it was far too humid as compared to Mumbai and other places. So how did you cope up with the weather?
सर कुछ दिनों तक तो नहीं सो पाया, फिर लाइक बाकी
अच्छा.
दिन भी नहीं सो पाया, पर थोड़ा सा सो पाया.
Okay. How about you, Mandar?
Nice. इसकी मतलब the main technique here is you just stay up so late that your body is too tired to think about it.
But again, but फिर वो tired होने के बाद breakfast भी तो करना है भाई.
तो उठ जाते हैं ना सर. मतलब one thing I realized, you don't need 6 hours of sleep to survive.
Oh,
You
you
can survive on 3. Yes. Barely survive. Barely. Is
You need food to survive. That's the exact point. You need food to survive.
Yes.
Hello, guys. So we'll try to keep it short only, because the idea of this session is to just motivate the students who are watching this, so that they know what happens inside, the camp. Right. So amazing insights, everyone. Anik, Aratrik, Mandar, Anish, and so thank you so much for attending this session. And I'm sure मैं हमेशा ये बोलता हूँ यार, अगर इस तरह के सेशंस अगर एक भी बच्चे को इंस्पायर करते हैं to take up mathematics, to motivate him to study more, to motivate him to improve logic, so I think this is worth it. So I'm sure this is definitely going to help a lot of students. So thank you everyone. Thank you, Rajit sir, for this, and God bless you.